Hello everyone, konnichiwa. I'm Yuka. Welcome to YUCa's Japanese cooking. Today we are going to make karaage, Japanese fried chicken. And I think karaage is the king of home dish in Japan. Since I was a child, I always steal the fresh fried karaage from my mother when she cooked karaage, and it's always delicious and hot. So I really liked it. And since then, I like making karaage on my own and always do the experiment. And this recipe is so far the best. So don't miss it. Did you watch the previous collaboration episode with Tomoko? And this is the collaboration episode with her again. Tomoko is my friend and the Japanese food and restaurant PR based in LA. And she also started a YouTube channel named Japanese Food Ambassador.
Hi, YUCa-san's audience. I'm Tomoko. I'm based in Los Angeles doing promotion of Japanese cuisines. Please check out my channel and then hope to see you more often. I'll make tamagoyaki because everybody loves tamagoyaki. Tamagoyaki is in every bento. It's like a perfect side dish. Tastes great and then everybody loves eggs. So I think that's what I'm gonna do.
This time, in my side, I want to make the karaage bento. Aside with bento, I'll make small dishes. And I also introduce the kids version karaage bento as well. And during this video, I'll introduce useful cooking techniques and ideas. So please watch until the end. Okay everyone, let's get started.
Here are the ingredients.
So, karaage bento is done. So, let's try tasting. いただきます。So hungry, so I eat karaage. At first, crispy outside and juicy inside. And fresh is always the best. So big. When I push, I can see the juice inside. And when it gets cold, the texture doesn't change. And I eat the rice balls. Every rice bowl has different furikake. By the way, do you know furikake? Furikake is a topping for rice. And if you know, please tell me which flavor you like. And sesame salad with broccoli. Since I parboiled for 2 minutes only, you can feel the texture of broccoli. Nutty flavor and umami from soy sauce. This recipe is easy to enjoy veggies for children too. ごちそうさまでした。So here are the tips for today's menu. Tip: when you choose chicken, please buy chicken thigh, boneless, and skin on. Tip: please cut one chicken into 4 or 5 pieces. And tip: to make crispy and juicy karaage, to wipe the surface of chicken 2 times is very important. So please take out the excess juice from the chicken with using kitchen paper as much as possible. And tip: and to make the chicken skin crispy, and basically don't touch or don't stir while frying. Skin side down and medium heat. Keep 2 minutes, then flipping, and another 1 minute. Please turn high heat and wait extra 1 minute. So 2, 1, 1. So how was this special collaboration episode? If you want to see more videos like this and have any comments or requests, please let us know from the comment box down below. Everyone, please make sure to hit the like button before watching another episode. And if you haven't, don't forget to subscribe Tomoko and my channel as well. Please make karaage bento and go for a picnic with your family and friends. Hi, so here's Sui-chan. Good. By the way, we have a special guest today. Guess who? Kengo!
Hi everyone.
How are you today? Good. He looks good. Okay, so Ken-chan, please taste karaage Kengo.
Hi.
Okay. He likes karaage a lot, so children can enjoy this recipe. Thank you so much, everyone. See you next time. Bye.